The team there is very kind and informative. We learned about culture and language as well. Each dish was perfectly prepped with just the right amount of effort needed from us. The food was also delicious. Our Ho Chi Minh City cooking class was a truly immersive experience, beginning with a vibrant market tour that unveiled the heart of Vietnamese cuisine. Our guide expertly navigated the bustling stalls, explaining the nuances of local ingredients and their importance in traditional dishes. From selecting the freshest herbs to understanding the variety of fish sauces, the market visit was a fascinating introduction. Back in the kitchen, we were guided through the preparation of classic dishes like delicate lettuce-wrapped spring rolls, crispy fried shrimp cake, the perfectly balanced papaya salad, and the iconic bun cha. The instructor was patient and engaging, ensuring everyone understood the techniques and flavors involved. The hands-on experience was both educational and enjoyable, as we learned to balance the sweet, sour, salty, and spicy elements that define Vietnamese cooking. Each dish was crafted with fresh ingredients, resulting in a truly authentic and delicious meal. The highlight was undoubtedly enjoying our creations together, sharing stories and savoring the flavors we had just brought to life. This cooking class offered a genuine taste of Vietnamese culture, leaving us with newfound culinary skills and a deeper appreciation for the country's rich food heritage. It's a must-do for any food lover visiting Ho Chi Minh City. This was the most fulfilling travel experience I ever had. I loved every minute of it and just wanted for the experience to go on for the whole day. When I go back to HCM, I will do this again, but choose a different day. I truly love this experience. Great family bonding experience and well organized. Our tour guide and chef instructor was standing right by the west gate of Ben Thanh Market, so it was very easy to find the meet-up place. She took everyone around the wet market area to explain about how locals shop for ingredients and about all the different vegetables and herbs used in Vietnamese cooking. After the market tour, everyone walks towards the studio 500 meters away. All of the ingredients and utensils were prepared with some steps that participants can do themselves to assemble and cook the dishes. Overall, we were taught 4 dishes and we got to eat all of the food we prepared, which were all really delicious. The studio also has free Wi-Fi and free-flowing water for the entire class. Very wonderful and a must-do when visiting Saigon. It's very fun and refreshing experience attending this cooking class. Helen and Chesty, not sure how to spell her name, toured us first at Ben Thanh Market before heading to the kitchen studio where amazing things happened. The market tour is unforgettable since we're in different countries, so it was a new experience for me. Also, they take note of the diet you're into as you book the class, veg/fruit/meat you're allergic to or not into your diet, and I'm glad for that. Like I don't eat pork, so they substitute mushroom and or for pork. Also, they were mindful in putting everyone at ease in the class since you're with other nationalities, which I find it accommodating. Face holding back tears emoji. In this class, you can meet other people and also be friends with them, and Helen and her team are also very nice people. Smiling face with tear emoji, crying face emoji, very unforgettable. Face holding back tears emoji, red heart 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 emoji. One of the best experiences I had here in Saigon. It was so much fun learning to cook my favorite Vietnamese dishes and tour around the wet market. Helen was a great teacher and guide. She was so patient and kind to us. Would definitely recommend this to friends and family who would want to visit Saigon soon. A-OK hand emoji. Ms. Helen is very approachable and answered my questions about meat alternatives in a very concise and complete way. She even gave cooking techniques to avoid drying alternative meats. Overall, the class is fun and the facilities are clean. The lessons are very helpful, especially for beginners. Thanks to you, I think it will be one of the happiest memories of my trip to Ho Chi Minh. The ingredients and food tour at Ben Thanh Market was a unique and enjoyable experience. Cooking is done in a beautiful and clean studio. Helen and the staff were very friendly. Easy to follow. Please help us, anyone can do it! The food made with healthy and good ingredients was so delicious and easy to prepare. Be sure to try a cooking class in Ho Chi Minh!